Alright, so here in our Backyard Carnival we have just ring toss, which mark different little lines for difficulty. Over here we just have a ping pong cup game. It's pretty simple. Just grab a ping pong and you can toss it, or you can use the paddle. Over here we have our pyramid toss. It's just some soda cans and a really soft ball. This is more just a very fun, easy game for the kids. Whoops, sign fell off. I'll have to fix that later. And I marked on the ground with like the chalk marking for different difficulty levels. Over here we're doing a water gun. So I have all these water guns and then these little duckies that are set up that the kids have to spray off. Later, this is going to be the station for cotton candy. Here we have bowling. I wish I could have done a little bit straighter lines, but I put the wood there because even I can't throw in a straight line, so it kind of works like bumpers. So it's outside bowling. Over here, I made a giant kerplunk. This one was super, super fun to make. And then I have my ladder throw. At the top are different Gatorade bottles filled with different amounts of water to make it a little bit more difficult. Over here we just have a simple beanbag toss for the little kids. We have a sticky throw toss. And then over here, it's way too windy right now. Hopefully it'll fix itself. But we have this little backdrop with the animals. I might move it to the other side of the house if it keeps blowing like this. But yeah, just some of our backyard carnival stuff. Guessing game with mason jars full of candy. The other game we have is a cakewalk. So I put different images of Halloween related things. I'll put them on the ground, play some music, and have the kids go around